Hey boys and girls, now we are going to do our writing tablet. So boys and girls, go ahead, you have in your packet, go ahead and pull out this page. It says that we are going to try to practice at least to write words with one vowel in it. So for example, make sure that your name is on the top, so I know it's yours. And then go to the first house. Try to think of a word, what to write that have a vowel in it, one vowel inside. For example, I'm going to give you a sample. And if I am going to write cat, you see that I have one vowel inside. You can do the same thing with your first house. And I would like you to create 5 words for me with a one vowel in it. So I cannot wait to see of what 5 words that you think that you wrote down on your paper. And guess what? I bet you're asking me, what about the number 6, Mrs. Schlichter? Well, yes, number 6, I would like you to practice to write your name and last name. So when you're done with this page, if you are done writing one vowel, you can write and think of all of our vowels. We have a, e, I, You can fill them in with whatever letters you want at the beginning and at the end, so that it is easy for you to make up some words. If you have any questions, you can ask me later and when we have a Zoom time together. And when you're done with this, just stretch out and walk around a little bit. Exercise those hands because we're going to go to our writing with phonics. Now, I have your paper right here. So when you're ready, go ahead and pull this paper out. And make sure also that you are going to write your name on the top, so I know it's yours. Now we are going to trace and write. I would like you to look at your first house. It says that we are going to trace and write our family Z. I would like you to look at the dots. We are going to write only on the dot. So we are going to make sure that our uppercase Z belongs upstairs. And the lowercase dot also have their own space, and we call them the downstairs. Now, I would like you to look at your family. Your family Z doesn't belong to the basement, so please, boys and girls, be very careful to try to stay inside the line. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 families to write. And on the second house, you are going to trace the word Zach, and then you are going to write it 2 times. And on the third house, you are going to copy that sentence on your number 4. And it says, here is Zick on a horse. So when you're done tracing and writing the front, you can go ahead and turn your paper over. And here is your practice side. Go ahead and trace and write your sentences. Copy the first house to the second house. The dog rode on the truck. Has Tim made his bed? So boys and girls, as this side, I only see one letter that belongs to the basement. It is only letter G. So be very careful, boys and girls. Take your time. I know you have plenty of time to work on your paper. So that's it for me for today. So if you are tired, it's okay to stretch out. Raise your hands, just open and close them and shake them and get some rest and go back again. Thank you. See you next time.